Hey everyone, let's talk about remedies for fatty liver. I'm Dr. Sethi. I also go by Dr. Sethi. I focus on your liver health. Today we will talk about 3 foods to avoid and 3 foods to consume to reduce liver fat and prevent fatty liver from progressing to fibrosis, scarring, or even cirrhosis. So 3 foods to avoid. First, sugary drinks. Top of the list are sodas and juices. These are loaded with empty calories and can severely damage your liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. A common question I get is whether diet sodas are okay. Unfortunately, even diet sodas are not ideal as they contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame, which can disrupt your gut microbiome. Soft drinks are liquid poison. I personally use water, sparkling water, coffee, or tea. Second, deep fried foods. I tell my patients if we are deep frying, we are dying. Deep fried foods, especially those cooked in unhealthy oils, should be avoided. If you must have fried foods, use an air fryer. While not perfect, it is a better alternative to deep frying. Remember to use high smoke point oils like avocado oil, ghee, refined coconut oil, or refined olive oil in your air fryer. Third, ultra-processed foods. Items like chips, candies, sugary cereals, hot dogs, and instant noodles are highly processed and detrimental to liver health. Sugary cereals, which millions of kids all around the world start their morning with, are more like cereal killers. Instead, switch to healthier breakfast options like oatmeal or eggs or multigrain breads. Now let's talk about 3 healthy things to consume. First, healthy beverages. Include drinks like black coffee, black tea, green tea, and matcha in your diet. These beverages are rich in antioxidants that can support liver health. Just keep these to 1 to 2 cups a day and avoid adding sugar. A touch of honey is fine, and if you have trouble sleeping, you can choose decaf options which still offer plenty of liver-friendly antioxidants. Second, turmeric. It contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Aim to incorporate half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric in your diet daily. Make sure to talk to your doctor first. You can add it to soups, marinades, or even your evening yogurt. It is a simple addition that can support liver health. And third, 3 B's. Incorporate berries, broccoli, and beets into your meals. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, goji berries, acai berries, all kind of berries. Second, broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is high in fiber and contains sulforaphane, which can enhance detoxification in the liver. Cabbage is another good option. Beets. These are known for their high content of beta-alanes, which possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These help in improving blood flow and liver detoxification processes. I hope you found this information helpful. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.